So what's up, guys? Today we will be reviewing a code that I made off screen, off camera, whatever you call it. So yeah, this is just my own SLang that I made. It's not like that. It can print something. Maybe it can ask you to input something. Okay, it can store like up to 3 variables, and it can create like a notepad, which is like that. And then yeah, so let's review that. Okay, so we on this first line you can see I made a variable running, and I declared that running is true, so it is running. And then this print part here. Okay, so this print part here, how do I explain it? Let's say I go into Python, the idle for the the idle here. Let's just drag this over here. You can see this top part, yeah. This is what's mimicking. I know it isn't actually a thing because on mine I can't kind of detect what it's using, so I just I just kind of went for the flow, just put it there as on Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. And then it made the day this version was made, and then it's a bunch of that. So now let's get onto the main code, the big part, the big boy. So here, I know that's great, sorry. So here we can see that it's while running. So anything that's like that, we can see that's running. So here, so this is the part that we ask for. Okay, so let's say I want to go, run here, run without debugging. So we can start here. Let's just start over here. So we know you can see on this little console here, down here, where my cursor is. Hello. There. Yeah, so down there we can type, and this is, you can see this, let me just say, this code part, this code equals input, the string sign, that's what's entering in, this part. So now you can see there's a bunch of if statements that's saying, okay, this code does this, that, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, this is what it's asking. Let's say we do cons dot print. And remember the brackets. This is very important. So it'll show 3 dots and a space, and you can see if we go over here, it exactly asks here in this line. So for print equals input, 3 dots and a space here. 1, 2, 3, space. You can see here. So let's say we type saucy cat is the best. Okay, what is this? Okay, so there is a little malfunction here. I think only problem, let's say I put print. Print was probably a better idea. I'm just gonna put in, and these rests are okay. So let's say we're gonna save this now. Let's just run that again. That was embarrassing. Yeah, let's just run that again. Cons dot print dot print. Then we do that. Hello. Look, it prints that out. So yeah, we can see that these are working fine after. So what I've learned is that you cannot use a already function here as a variable. So let's say I tried to put print, but print here is a variable, and it's literally asking to print that. So yeah, and you can't use the variable. So I just changed everything that uses a variable, and the variable name is a function, and then yeah. So let's now do another part. Cons dot input, and then we do that parenthesis, and then again it will ask us what do you want to put, and then I'll just put like a random thing. Do you think saucy cat is the best? and then we do that. Do you think Sussy Cat's the best? I personally think yes, and so its subscribers are too. But let's get back to the topic. So now we have gotten. So, do you think Sussy Cat is the best? Which personally, yes. And then it'll ask, do you think Sussy Cat is the best to the person doing it? And then you'll put yes if you want to. And yeah. But now let's go on to the more complex part, the variable making. Oh boy, boy, boy. So the only problems I have is that I can't make variables as in that 1 2 1 2 1 2 like that. You can't just like how Python. Let's say Python just simultaneously does it. Like say I want to put var equals 3 or 2. Okay, and then we can do var 2 equals 3. We can't do that on mine because it's just I don't know why. I just couldn't do it. But let's see. Yep. We press cons dot var in parenthesis 1. So it asks us for a name. And then if we go here to var name. So we use the variable var name as a question as what do you want to save this variable? And then we use var val as the value of what you want to do. So let's say again it's print first variable. So let's say we put hello, then we put world. World is the variable. I don't think that I will go any further with this. I haven't currently on the first model added anything like this. Is just a basic model. So like it's asking console make the first variable, console make the second variable, and so on until 3. So yeah, that's what we do. Now there's a very like useful one that I want to use, and it's just yeah, it's like a little bit outgoing. It's like one of the only ones that include like your outer PC, like the other part. So for that we will require the main part, the goat. So here we will ask to make a notepad, which in my language we will perfect. Okay, notepad dot create like that. I don't know what just happened there. Okay, I think that's a little bit broken, but like what is supposed to what it was supposed to do is kind of like bring up all that and all this and all that, and yeah. And now I have another project which I made in Notepad. So let me just open it up on Notepad. So let me just open with VSC. So yeah, let's see. So it's just clear cut save file. So this is save file, clear cut, save file as Sussy Cat is the GAOT. Closes. Now let's just redo. Let's just close this, and then we open this again. Where's it gone? Downloads. Just once. Okay, I'll just. I don't know what this is. I'll choose VSC as this. I'm just a little bit confused as what's happening here. What's this? It's binary, so I'll just delete this. Don't mind me. Just unconfirm. I'll just delete that because. So, anyways, yeah. So that's it. That's it with our basis video, and I hope you enjoyed. So, goodbye. Hope you have a great night. Subscribe, or else I'll steal your cookies.